this is Richa here. Good morning. Good morning to everyone, and you're the most welcome, awesome, blossom English learner. So let's get started. This is really important, which is really working in your life. And if you are learning English communications and you are losing your hope and without any reasons, but you are thinking that it's not in my hand, I cannot speak in my life. So I will tell you one thing, nothing is impossible, everything is impossible. You can do everything, whatever you want to do. If you want to speak, you can speak, no one will stop you. But how? Just because of your courage. Okay, I just share with you one thing that is really working in your life and as well as in your learning process. It's happened with everyone in the beginning of time when you just started your journey or as a learning process. So definitely in this situation, lot of people also saying, lot of people also think it's not working in the English language. It's actually happened with everyone in every learning process. If you are learning Hindi, English, Germany, any language, if you are learning anything, if you are taking training, if you are in the classroom, if you are thinking to do something new, so in a beginning of time when you are not able to do that things, you are not actually gaining. So in this situation, sometimes you also can be so much hesitate, you also can be so much damn, oh my god, seriously. So you also can think that no, it's not my hand, and it's not in my hand, I cannot do that. Okay, leave it. And just because of this is the biggest mistake, when you just think it is not in my hand, so definitely that person cannot do any kind of thing. I just give you one example, and that is really true example. What I just noticed one day, a girl is learning how to ride the Activa, and she's so much crazy to ride the Activa. What happened? And she also had learned very good way, and she also used to go on the riding by Activa. But what happened in the beginning of time when she started to go alone by the Activa for a practice, and she was really doing great. But what happened one day, like in a beginning of time, I'm just talking about the beginning of the journey of the riding Activa, she had trained how to ride the Activa. But thing is that when she started her journey and she started a little practice, okay, in fact she had already trained how to ride the Activa, as I mentioned. But you know what happened? First day she suddenly fall down, and just because of scooty and because of her, actually one Activa is a little damaged. Okay, because she also fall down with Activa, and Activa also fall down on the earth or in the street as well. Okay, but she didn't damage anyone, like she's safe, and everyone is safe that time, everyone was safe. And but thing is that like because of her and disbalance, and she fall down, and 4 or 5 vehicles also fall down with that things, and she had afraid and she had left that things. So why I'm sharing this story, it is actually told to us that now actually she also had tried before 3 years, and she had become, and she had trained how to ride the Activa. But thing is that today, if you will get to know about her, she can't ride the Activa, because of whenever she think to ride the Activa, she's so much fumbling, and she had gotten a fear that I cannot do in my life to ride the Activa. Same here, if you will think too much and you just think that I cannot do that, I can't, seriously, you cannot do that. Because that girl mind is working. Okay, that girl is so intelligent, but just because she had decided that I can't, and that's why she didn't again try in her life. Till now she didn't try how to ride the Activa. She knew very well how to ride, and she also used to go by the Activa. But thing is that one day when she fall down on the earth, and just because of that accident, I can say a little accident, not accident, that's happen normal way with everyone, with with the trainer, driver as well, it's happened. But what do you think, that we also should leave all things if we will fall down on the earth? No, not at all. This is the biggest mistake if you will think that you cannot do that. In fact, you can do. This is a really good way that you also gaining experience, and you are fall down means you also can be prepare yourself. You also can be prepare yourself, and after that you also can think, no, I can do that, and I will not leave my practice at any cost, at any time, at any rate. I just continue with consistency, with courage, with consistency, with courage, and with big positive mind, and with that things, with beautiful thoughts that I can do, and definitely I will do. I will continue my consistency for a learning purpose. If you will think, definitely you can do that. If you will accept your defeat, definitely you cannot do that, and you can never stand again, because your thoughts die by you. So don't do that. Just aware your thoughts, just be prepare yourself. Just think that if you learn anything, you will have to face both situations. People will admire to you. Second is, sometimes you will have to take a challenge, and in that challenge you also can fall down or you also can stand. It is happen, but after the fall down you will have to know how to prepare yourself for a next learning. But don't be think that you will have to leave that things. If you will think, definitely you can never that things, that same girl. So what I just sharing with you, if you are speaking in English, okay, it is okay, you just started, it's happened with many people. That's why I'm sharing with you. It is really important thing, which is really get to know that what I want to say to you. So if you just started your English journey, okay, you just started your English journey, and you just trying to speaking gradually, and still you are speaking gradually, right? You are speaking a little questions, and you are replying, and you are actually asking, hi, how are you, like that. Means you just started your English journey, and in a beginning of journey, and someone is pulling your legs back, your legs, and that person's always interrupt you while the conversation. Maybe it's happened sometime, or because of that rude persons, you will think that no, I am not good at English and I cannot do that. So just because of you accepted your defeat, you accepted that person is also saying to you something, and that is actually truth, that you also want to prove that when you will leave that practice. So just don't be think, just prove yourself, and just reply to that persons on the same time, on the correct time, when you will get the time to reply to that person. After that you also can reply to that person, but before that you cannot reply. Even you also can say, now I defeated by your words. Don't defeat by the words, just prove yourself by the words. Okay, so till then, bye. And if you just get to know that my message is so beautiful, so please just try to subscribe, like, dislike, whatever you want to do that. But if you just think that this is message really useful for you, so just don't be shy, and just put the icon of subscribe and hit the bell icon for new videos. And I hope you are getting really good content by me, and you also can suggest me for new topics, so that of course I also can make some videos for you all, because I am trying to do myself only and only to push up the people, how to push myself to another's speak in English, start the journey, use the time, taste of life. So you also gonna help with me, so please don't be shy and just try to help me to tell me about the questions. You also can ask me any questions. Second is, you also can tell me, you also can share with me anything, you also can discuss with me any topic. Okay, so for that things, what will you do? You will have to comment on my chat box. Okay, so we will meet so soon. Bye.